In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a billing account in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team or keeping track of expenses, getting your billing information set up correctly is an important step in your project's workflow. So let's dive right in and make sure you have everything set up perfectly. First things first, head over to Monday.com in your web browser. This is where everything starts, and if you're already a user, it'll all look familiar. Once you're there, look towards the top right of the screen where you'll see the familiar login button. Give that a click. If you're logging in through Google, you'll need to select your account from the options displayed. Once you've selected the right account, you'll find yourself right back in your Monday.com dashboard. Now, at the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that to reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options tailored for your user account. From this menu, you'll want to navigate to Administration. This is your hub for fine-tuning account settings and making necessary adjustments, including billing-related functions. Once you're inside the administration area, head over to the Billing tab. You'll find this option within the menu, which is easily accessible once you're familiar with the layout. Clicking on this will take you to the dedicated billing section. Next, let's delve into billing contacts. There is a separate tab for billing contacts. This is where you can specify contact details for billing queries, invoices, and anything else finance related. Now, if you need to add a billing contact, simply type in their name or email address. Perhaps you want to designate a colleague or your financial administrator. Just scroll through the list or enter an email to ensure you're adding the right person. Alternatively, you can select from existing members already linked to your team. This is especially handy if you've previously added team members who need to be involved with billing matters. Finally, once you have all the necessary billing contacts added, complete the process by clicking on Add Billing Contact. This action will lock in your settings and confirm that the listed individuals will manage or receive billing information. Super straightforward, right? Bear in mind, only admins have the rights to modify billing settings. If you can't access these features, check to ensure you have proper admin permissions assigned to your account. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on setting up billing within Monday.com. With these steps complete, you're all set to manage your billing efficiently and without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more useful tips.